Catch a sneeze, catch a clue. Ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? Well, thank the ancient Greeks for that. They believed a sneeze was more than just a bodily function. Oh yes, it was a divine sign, a missive from the gods themselves. Sneezing to them was a way for the gods to communicate their pleasure or displeasure. Imagine a well-timed sneeze could change the course of a war, or decide the fate of a marriage proposal. So the next time you sneeze and someone blesses you, remember, you're part of a tradition that dates back to the time of Hercules and Achilles. And if you're wondering if the gods are pleased with you, well, only your sneeze can tell. So bless you, dear friend, and may your sneezes always bring good fortune. Enjoyed this historical nugget? Like, share, and don't forget to follow for more. The link's in the bio.